If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for the new videos. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Kingshuk Bhattacharya, where you will learn some easiest technique to paint and to give a professional look. So, without wasting time, let's start. To understand any medium, we need to first understand the behavior or the character of that particular medium. I will request everyone to see the video till the end. To understand the watercolor, you definitely need the practical knowledge. So my suggestion to everyone, especially to the beginners or those who want to learn watercolor, just take the color on the brush and deliver it on the paper. In my word, you have to be a little fearless. I'm just deliberately putting the color with some water. Let's see what happens.